art.
Welcome to Plano ISD. My name is Colin McGrain. I'm the Visual Arts Coordinator. We wanted to make a video for veteran teachers, new teachers, college students to see what it might be like to teach with us in our district.
When I moved here from New Mexico 5 years ago, I asked my realtor what was the best school district, and she said, without a doubt, Plano ISD.
There's so much support for the arts program. I've been in districts before where there isn't that support, and it's nice to have someone who understands art and who supports the art to be our coordinator.
There's a lot of really great resources that we get that I think you won't find at like a lot of other districts, and they give us a lot of tools and a lot of ways for us to really be able to teach our kids different ways of art making and really be able to expand our own art knowledge as well.
Excellence in art has been a stalwart for decades in Plano ISD. Our mission is to foster visual literacy for all students while providing unmatched opportunities in contests and exhibitions. To make all this happen, we provide structured yet open curriculum, world-class facilities, and rigorous but relevant professional development that helps us all grow our craft while having a little bit of fun.
It feels like a family. I haven't felt gotta go to work. I've enjoyed going to work, so that's been priceless. I haven't wanted to move or leave anywhere else. I'm very content and happy.
Although I am at one school, I still am able to have a very close-knit art teacher family throughout every event, and it just makes it that more enjoyable. I have people to depend on at all levels.
You're still here. Awesome. You might be interested in teaching with us in Plano ISD. Go ahead and send me an email at colin.mcgrain@pisd.edu. I would love to hear from you and talk to you more about what we can do together in this district.